Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing in the brand new Natasha Denona mini nude palette. Now if you're familiar with my channel at all, you know that I don't always get along with the mini palettes from her. Sometimes I have liked the 5-pan like regular size shadows, but they're just like the little 5-pans. But the minis don't have a great history with me. I know I liked one, but overall, I haven't felt like these were worth it. So I hesitated whenever I bought this, and it actually arrived broken, but I kind of just took this shade and I smashed it all up. I didn't add any alcohol to it because I didn't want to alter the formula, and then I didn't even end up using it in my eye tutorial anyway, but it didn't alter the swatch of it either. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys about this little gem. I'm going to show you this tutorial, and then I'm going to tell you what my thoughts are on it. This mini palette of all neutral shades includes 2 metallics, 2 mattes, and a duochrome. The user-friendly design and color scheme lets you create a complete eye makeup look. This compact size makes it perfect for travel. And the shades you are getting are Bronze Age, Coin, Lumino, Sienna, and Soil. The mini nude is a Sephora exclusive and it retails for $25. When I first saw this palette, I definitely thought about the larger camel palette, so I'm going to go ahead and insert a side-by-side of these two so you can see them closer up. Now I'm going to go ahead and get into this eye look really quickly, and then I will share my thoughts with you at the end. I'm taking a Royal & Langnickel BOM 44 and that matte orangish shade, and I'm going to take that directly into the crease, and I'm also going to be fluffing it upwards, just kind of layering the color and blending using circular motions to blend it upwards, directly into the crease and into the transition area. After I get that done, I'm also going to apply that shade along the lower lash line with a Royal & Langnickel BOM 47 from the outer almost all the way to the inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with the last shade in the palette in a Sonia G Worker 3. I didn't mean to make that rhyme. But I'm going to place that on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend up and smoke out the outer corner. I'm not taking this all the way into the front part of the crease, but I am taking it about 3/4 of the way in. But I really want to concentrate that smokiness right around the outer edge of the eye. With a MAC 242, I'm taking that beautiful duochrome shade and I am placing that all over the lid and tapping over top of the last shade we put down. This is dry. If you wanted it to be more intense, you could use glitter glue. You could also use it wet, but this is just dry and it is so stunning. I think it's a beautiful shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm also going to add that right below, right on the front part of the lower lash line, just so they kind of go together with the eye look. Sticking with that same brush, I'm taking the shade Lumino and I'm taking it right at the brow arch and then kind of blending it outwards just to highlight that area. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this and pop it directly on the inner corner as well. After that, all I did was add on Milk Boss Liner to the top inner rim and then some mascara to finish off the look. All right, now for my thoughts. I actually think that this one is really good. I had no issues with any of the shades. I didn't get to use this one, but just feeling it, and whenever I had to like chop it up, it felt softer. A lot of the times with these minis, I have had issues with the shimmery shades being kind of hard pressed. These are great. I am very impressed. And this shade right here, I love it. This is the one that's all over my lid. It's got gold, green, bronze. Like, it's so stinking pretty. This is the closest one that she has made, in my personal opinion, to her original formula in a mini. I'm very happy with this palette. I will get a lot of use out of this palette. I really like it. And I did not expect to. Like, I almost skipped this palette, and I'm very glad that I didn't. So out of all the minis she has done, I definitely think this is the best. And I really hope that she continues with this kind of formula in her mini palettes, because I think that this is what people are looking for. I really hope that as she continues making these minis, that she keeps this formula, because this is good. Like, this is good, Natasha. Don't change it. This is very, very good. So you guys, let me know what you thought about the eye look. Let me know if you have grabbed this, if you've picked it up and you like it. If you don't like it, let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.